Welcome to yet another tutorial. My name is Carolina and today I'll show you how to make this midi skirt using my sewing pattern called Chloé, but this time I'll use a satin fabric. You can buy this pattern from my shop on Etsy and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this skirt using only sewing machine. To start, sew front and back pieces together using a front seam technique. Moving on to the hem, double folded and top stitch. Next, we need to cut the elastic. Wrap slightly stretched elastic around your waist and add extra 2 cm. My elastic will measure 69 cm. Overlap the elastic ends by 1 cm and make a secure zigzag stitch. Then, attach elastic to the skirt, placing it over the fabric approximately 1 cm away from the edge. Next, sew the elastic close to the edge, while stretching the elastic to match the skirt. Then, tuck the elastic inside. And that's it, a very simple way to make a gorgeous skirt. Thanks for watching.